Hi guys, welcome back to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to fix Modern Warfare 2 error which you rarely find in your game, which get disconnected from this team, right? So basically, it's the main problem that is happening. It is happening in the network and internet, and just click on the network and internet, and here you will get this, right? So basically, just select your Wi-Fi and make sure that if you're using a VPN to access that game, to play that game, make sure that just turn off the VPN, right? And after that, just turn off the VPN and just turn out, you have to turn off your internet connection and just turn it once again. And after that, you have to just open the setting, and basically, for example, if I just here type remove, okay, and just go to the click here, and if you have installed Steam, you have to do one thing. You have to search here Steam. Right now I have uninstalled it, but you have to search it and make sure just click here and you uninstall the Steam, okay? And after uninstalling the Steam, you have to install the Steam once again, and because by uninstalling it will delete all the cache files which is present in the Steam, and basically that is the problem which is happening, and because of it you are getting error, right? So this is it, and after doing all of these steps, you have to just restart your laptop or PC, and that's it. So if you found this video really interesting and helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.